In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto BCC in Gmail 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a simple tool installed that automatically blind copies your outgoing emails, helping you keep records or share updates with a team inbox without doing anything extra. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com. Sign in if you aren't already. It's easiest to do this in Chrome or Brave, since the extension we need comes from Google's extension store, and those browsers support it natively. With Gmail open, look to the top right for the waffle icon, the grid of 9 dots that opens the Google Apps menu. Click that to bring up your available apps. From there, choose the Web Store option. Depending on your browser, it may be labeled Chrome Web Store. If you don't see it, try expanding the list or using the search bar within the apps menu. The goal is simply to reach Google's extension store. Once you're in the web store, use the search bar at the top to type Auto BCC. This will return a list of extensions related to blind carbon copying outgoing emails. You're looking for Auto BCC for Gmail. Click on that result to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct extension by checking the title and overview. It's always a good idea to glance at ratings and the number of users so you know you're installing something trustworthy. Now click the Add to Chrome or Add to Brave button, depending on your browser. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation and listing the permissions the extension needs to function. Review those, then click Add Extension. The installation only takes a moment. Once it's added, you'll typically see a brief notification and an icon appear in the browser's extensions area near the top right. If your toolbar is crowded, you can pin the icon so it's always visible, which makes it easier to access later. At this point, the extension is installed and ready to work with Gmail. If Gmail is open, a quick refresh can help the extension initialize. The first time it runs, you may see a brief walkthrough or an options page where the extension explains how it handles automatic BCC for your outgoing messages. That's it, you went to Gmail, opened the apps menu, launched the web store, searched for Auto BCC, selected Auto BCC for Gmail, and added the extension with a single confirmation. You're now set up to streamline your email workflow with automatic blind copies in just a few clicks.